Kelsey, I'm Grace.
Hi.
And we're here to talk about your fractured tooth and how we're going to fix it today.
Perfect.
Okay? So I'm just going to give you some information on porcelain crowns because our dentist has decided that that's your best option.
Okay. I actually don't know what a porcelain crown is, and is it only used to fix fractured teeth?
Well, you may know a porcelain crown as a cap, but crowns are used to treat damaged teeth, and it's fitted over the missing area of the tooth. So it has multiple uses, such as holding a bridge in place, protection following a root canal, or covering a decayed tooth. But most of the time, it's used for aesthetic reasons.
Oh. But how does the procedure work? I'm not familiar with it.
Okay, so placing a porcelain crown is done in several steps. First, we prep the damaged tooth by reducing the tooth structure, and we take a special mold of the mouth to get the shape needed for our crown. So then this impression is sent to a lab, and they specifically make a porcelain crown to the tooth that we're going to be fixing.
Okay.
In the meantime, we'll place it temporary so you're not left here with a reduced tooth structure. And when your crown comes in, we'll take that out and we'll place it in with a permanent cement.
Are there any risks to this procedure though?
Because we are removing tooth structure, there are risks such as damage to the pulp, chemical irritation, a poor fitting restoration, or trauma is also a possibility. But with our increased ability and technology today, it's less likely that that will happen.
Oh, okay.
The benefits of having a porcelain crown are why this is the best option for you. It's very aesthetically pleasing, and with proper care, it'll last the rest of your life.
But is this procedure painful, and what's my recovery time going to be?
It's performed under local anesthetic, and other than some sensitivity for a few days, the bonding procedure will have no discomfort. You'll be able to leave the office immediately after the procedure, but it may take a few days to get used to.
Do I have to take any extra precautions with the crown?
Porcelain crowns are quite strong and durable, so you would just take care of it like you would for a regular healthy mouth.
Oh, perfect. I actually think that porcelain crown does sound like the best fitting for me.
Great.